Oh wait, this isn't an update for you guys. The last update that they did was, I think it was by lunchtime. But now this is 3 hours later. As you can see, most of the snow is gone. Actually, the snow is pretty stopped now. But there's snow on the driveway. It's like a giant. The snow is like big. Guys, just look at this. But I think right now it is raining, but I'm not very sure.
Yeah, it is a little bit.
Yep. You can see the snow on the drive on the snow on the driveway. There's still snow on the street. There's lots of snow over here, guys. As you guys can see very well because of the rain. And the power is still not back yet. And this is like Hurricane Leslie, which happened back in September 2012. And there's still snow on the patio. So over here too. Oh look, Chef Snow's Mountain over there. And this is not like the snowstorms that we had back in 2010. Yeah, just look at this. Mom showed the snow over there earlier. Yep, there they are.
Your mom barbecued in it.
Anyway, the power is not even back yet. It is now 3:05 and it's not even back yet. Yep, the power went at 7:45 this morning, and it's now already afternoon. So the power should be back by 5 or so. So guys, let's take one more look out of this window. Look at all the snow up there. Maybe, hopefully the power should be back by 5 o'clock this evening. If not, it should be later on. So, I really hope you guys like this update video. And stay tuned for some more updates coming soon. Next. So, I hope you guys like this video. And I guess all I need to know is bye.